Hey, I'm going to show you how I turn my video file into a ringtone. Um, so first you want to have these two apps, My MP3 Converter and GarageBand. And so I'm going to go into My MP3 Converter first. You can see that I already have my ringtone, but for the purpose of showing you, I'm going to create it again. So I'm going to go to the search file in the top right hand corner. I'm going to hit choose video from gallery. I'm going to go to my camera roll, pick out the video. At the top you can crop it if you need to, but I don't need to, so I'm just going to hit choose and wait for the ads to go away. Yep, and then you can go in on the three little dots in the right beside the song, and you can rename the file if you want. It's not going to really rename it and make it easier for you in GarageBand. So I'm just going to go ahead and open with and save to files, and then on my iPhone, you can go to the GarageBand and add it to those files. So once you're done with that, you can exit out of that app and you're going to go to GarageBand, and this is the startup page. You're going to scroll over to Audio Recorder, and on the top left hand corner, 3 in, you're going to hit that button, and then you're going to, on the right hand corner, the second one, you're going to hit that loop. And just remember what the file name was when it's saved. I know all of these are the same, but it'll play too. So, you're going to take that and you're going to hold on it and you're going to place it right there. And that should be it. And then you're going to, I think, go to this, nope, wrong button. Give me a second. Oh, the first button on the left-hand top corner, you're going to go to My Songs, it's going to save it, and then you're going to go in here, I believe. Nope. Is it this one? Yeah. I think you're going to hit select. Oh, yep. You're going to hit select in the top right-hand corner, and you're going to hit on My Song. And then on the bottom left-hand corner, you're going to hit that export button, and it's going to ask you if you want to turn it into a ringtone. So you're going to do that, and name the song whatever you want, and there you go. You should be able to go to your settings, and well, just for the purpose to make sure this worked out, I'm going to go ahead and export it, change it to John Buzzer, just so you can see that this exact file showed up. I named it something funny in the last one, so yep, and then you can hit use sound as, and it'll automatically make it whatever you want, the ringtone, standard text tone, whatever, and that's that.